How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your saved videos on YouTube. In order to find your saved videos on YouTube, you will need to first open your YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon and this will take you to your profile page. In this page, you'll be able to locate the playlist section. There you will see various options including watch later and any playlist that you have created. Simply tap on this watch later folder to view all the videos that you have saved to watch it later. Also, if you have saved videos in specific playlist, then you can simply come back to the previous page and then from here scroll to find your created playlist and tap on the one you'd like to view. And then there you'll be able to see your saved videos. Also, if you have liked videos instead of saving them, you can also find these in the same page. Simply come back to the page and here you will need to scroll to the left side and then there you'll be able to locate the liked videos. Also, if you have downloaded the video instead of saving them, you can check this download folder and inside it, there you'll be able to see the videos that you have saved or downloaded for online viewing. So by following these steps, you can easily locate your saved videos on YouTube. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.